Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tevs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is an LG 42 inches LCD TV. Model 42CS560. Not turning on and has no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to fix it. If you like electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. The TV has no power, so let's start measuring the voltage of the main capacitor if is charged or not. It is not charged or has no voltage measured. The main fuse is open or blown. Let's remove the power board to test for any shorted components that cause the main fuse to be blown. So let's set the multimeter to continuity mode. A long beep means a shorted component. Let's test the rectifier diode. This is the PFC power MOSFET. Let's test it. Let's test these 4 MOSFETs. All MOSFETs are not shorted. Let's test this PWM regulator. between the source and the drain is not shorted. I don't test any shorted components. Until I spotted this burnt ceramic capacitor. This is the reason why the fuse is being blown. It is connected to the drain and source of the PFC power MOSFET. Let's remove the ceramic capacitor. The use of the capacitor is a snubber. Let's try not to break it so we still be able to see the value. Unfortunately, it breaks. Luckily I have a power board that is almost similar to it. I already took some of the components, but the snubber capacitor is still there. Let's remove the capacitor. Let's solder my safety resistor onto the fuse terminals. If I ever miss a faulty component, that will cause the MOSFETs to get shorted and create an explosion. That will not gonna happen because of the help of the resistor that is placed on the terminals of the fuse. Now let's test the power board. Let's test the main capacitor voltage. The voltage is 309 volts and slowly drops when it is unplugged. That means the main DC line don't have a shorted or a heavy load, only the standby power supply is draining the main capacitor. Let's measure if there is a standby voltage. Let's measure the voltage to this capacitor. The voltage is 3.4 volts. 3.5 is indicated, 0.1 volt lower, and that is just okay. It seems the power board is okay now, so let's put a fuse now. Let's use the fuse of the other power board. They are the same amperes, 5 amperes. Let's test the PFC if is working. The voltage is about 399 volts and slowly dropping because the TV is going to standby mode. Looks like the PFC is working. We have a standby light indicator now. And seems working now.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. You can help this channel by giving a thumbs up and subscribing. Ring the notification bell for you will be updated every time I upload a new video like this. Once again I'm Teps. See you again next time. Bye for now.